Hello everybody, my name is Speckles and welcome to my first ever game devlog. So recently I played Terraria and I found this one boss very fun. It was the torchgod. Okay, so what basically this boss is, player places 100 torches and after placing it, the torch will shoot one by one at the player. The player job is to dodge at least 95 of them to win the boss. So first I placed a plane, added a capsule and used Unity's new input system to create a 2D movement. After that I added a jump functionality to the capsule. Once it was done, I went to Unity's asset store to find a perfect character model for my game and I decided to stick with this. After that, I imported the model to the game, added a capsule collider and added the movement script to it. It had a few bugs and eventually I fixed it. After that, I added animation which came along with the character model. Now the basic player part is completed. So before we continue, I just want to say that all these developments are done live stream in YouTube. So if you're interested, hit the subscribe button so you will get notified by my streams, where you can interact, learn and even teach me few things about game development. Anyways, back to the devlog. Then I added a few platforms where players can jump around to avoid the torches. After that, I once again head to the Unity asset store to find a torch model. I then decided to use this one. It took a while, but I sure learned a lot while trying out different things to make it work. I then imported the torch model and started to code where the torch will start to shoot at the player randomly one after the other, and it worked pretty well. But the flames did not look natural. In order to fix it, I came across Ethan 2. To explain this in simple words, it basically takes the angle between the torch and the character and shoot the flame accordingly. And it works perfectly. There were few bugs and after few tries I fixed it and now everything works perfect. And for the final part, I added a death animation for the player so that if the player gets hit 3 times, the player will die and has to restart. But Speckles, didn't you just say that out of 100, a player needs to dodge 95? That means there will be cases where player can get more than 3 hits? Well, true. This is where I come with a shop system. Every time a player plays the game, he either dies or win, and based on the result, the player will get coins which he can use to buy abilities, bonuses and even extra lives. Well, that is it for the first devlog. If you guys like what you see, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and as I said, I stream all these development here in YouTube, so don't miss them out. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.